Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you're experiencing this issue, you can try the following steps to resolve the issue. First, force restart your iPhone. Depending on your iPhone model, the steps to force restart may vary. So if you're using iPhone 8 or later models, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press the and quickly release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. So if you're using iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold both volume down button and the sleep or wake button side or the side button together until the Apple logo appears. And if you are using iPhone 6s or and earlier models, press and hold both the home button and the sleep or wake button together until the Apple logo appears. The next thing that you can try is to check for software updates. If your iPhone successfully restarts but gets stuck on the Apple logo again, ensure that you have the latest iOS version installed. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and check for any available updates. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Use recovery mode if necessary. If the force restart and software update options do not resolve the issue, you may need to use recovery mode. Please note that the entering recovery mode will erase your iPhone's data if you don't have a backup. So to enter recovery mode, follow these steps. So first, connect your iPhone to a computer and open iTunes for Mac OS Mojave or earlier, or Finder. Force restart your iPhone using the steps mentioned in the previous step, but do not release the buttons when the Apple logo appears. Keep holding them until you see the recovery mode screen with the connect to iTunes or use cable icon. So it is important to note that attempting any troubleshooting steps carries a small risk of data loss or potential device damage. Therefore, it is always advisable to back up your iPhone regularly to safeguard your important data. Okay? So, by the way, if none of these steps work, just go ahead and seek professional help. So, if none of the previous steps work and your iPhone remains stuck on the Apple logo, it is recommended to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. They will be able to diagnose and provide specialized guidance to resolve the issue. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!